Is your Jotform form stuck on loading or not opening at all? Maybe you're seeing a blank page, an endless loading spinner, or the form simply refuses to appear. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Jotform form not loading issues in 2026. So let's get started. First, refresh the page and try opening the form again. Temporary glitches can sometimes prevent the form from loading properly. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Slow or unstable networks can stop Jotform from loading completely. Old browser data can interfere with websites. Clear your cache and cookies, restart the browser, and then try opening the form again. Ad blockers and privacy extensions sometimes block scripts required by Jotform. Temporarily disable them and reload the page. If the form still won't load, switch to another browser. Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari may handle the page differently. Yeah, you can also try opening the form in incognito or private mode. This disables most extensions and cached data. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily. Some network settings can interfere with form loading. Sometimes, simple fixes work best. Restart your computer or phone and then try loading the form again. Using an outdated browser can create compatibility issues. Install the latest browser updates and reopen Jotform. If none of these fixes help, the problem might be on Jotform's side. I mean, temporary server outages or maintenance can prevent forms from loading. And that's how to fix Jotform form not loading issues in 2026. Most problems can be solved by refreshing the page, clearing browser data, disabling extensions, or checking for server issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.